game is huge now.
Right now, we know it's close and every game is important.
You made a dream come true, man.
Man, I appreciate it.
All right, man.
Now y'all enjoy the game, all right?
Everybody's fighting for a playoff berth or a playoff seeding or some manner in which they want to improve.
By the way, it's Noche Latina.
Lerno Espanol.
Exactly. If I make it, y'all got to run all the way up to the top and back down.
Deal.
Get the running. When Benny the Bull has your outfit on, that's not a good look. Not a good look, Craig.
Roaring storyline, the return of CP3. He came back onto the court to thunderous applause.
Darren takes it coast to coast and then walks over. A couple of buddies, how you doing?
Hey, guys, it's going to be a grinded-out game. They're a grinded-out team, I'm telling you.
Again, we want to pound this team inside. Go to the rack on it. Be ready. Be down. Move your feet. Show your hands. We got to pass the ball and cut. The only thing we have is we're little and quicker than they are. They beat us in every way you can beat a team in that quarter. Let's pick our defense up. Let's go to work. Come on.
Rejects it. How about that one?
Kobe with all day.